Have you been looking for a compact SUV that has reliability and fits your lifestyle? Take a look at this certified pre-owned 2019 Jeep Renegade Limited in black clear coat. With bifunction LED projector headlamps, LED cornering fog lamps, 19-inch granite painted aluminum wheels, satin granite roof rails, LED tail lamps, tungsten interior accent stitching, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 7-inch cluster with TFT color display, 8.4-inch touchscreen, navigation, park view rear backup camera, Apple CarPlay and Google Android Auto, dual zone temp control, SELEC-TERRAIN system, adaptive cruise control, blind spot and cross path detection, black headliner, 1.3 turbocharged engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5443.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.